Okay, I have two hobbies, and I'm showing you a piece of both of them. I like to ride my little motorbike here, 2001 GL 1800. Far from new, but it's all I need for now. Maybe when I get old, I'll get something better. In the meantime, this will work. I also like to play with amateur radio. I'm showing you my install of my 2-meter and 440 band amateur radio on the motorbike here. It's the radio is a TYT 8600 WP, and the WP is supposed to stand for waterproof. And I'm going to find out how waterproof it is, because I'll probably ride in a little rain. I haven't used it much yet. But anyway, I have tried it out a little bit, and it sounds real sharp, real clear coming in. I know it's not a perfect setup. The perfect setup would be having a helmet, a Bluetooth helmet, and a Bluetooth connection from my radio to my helmet. But in the meantime, I've got to use this guy. I made that bracket out of a piece of scrap aluminum that I had out back in my scrap pile, and got a little wire welder that I do a little tinkering with. But anyway, all the whole bracket there was just miscellaneous goods that I had laying around here. And I got the wires coming up. I don't use the headset and the helmet, so I ran the wires up through that hole where that wire used to come up through. And the antenna, a little different than most guys will do, I'm sure. I've got a trailer, but I haven't used it hardly any. And like I said, I like to play with aluminum a little bit. So I made this bracket here. I got a dual band, what is that, Browning? A dual band Browning antenna on there. Seems to match pretty good. And these brackets here are going to the helmet locks that I don't use anyway, never used anyway. So I figured, okay, I'll just take a little tiny U-bolts and clamp that there to brace that a little bit, and then run the coax up under the seat and under the cowling there. And it I've got good audio reports at 50 miles an hour. I don't know how it'll be at 70. Maybe I won't use it at 70. Maybe I'll slow down and get in. You know, you operate things like that according to your conditions. If the traffic says you shouldn't mess with it, then you don't mess with it. You just listen sometimes. But anyway, that's about all I got to say about this little hobby, I guess, or this little project, I should say. So, see you later.